Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Ogowadi. How are you doing, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in today. So guys, today there is a kitchen equipment that I ordered from QVC. So they delivered and I decided to make a video so we could unbox this together. Remember, that was one of my promises in my intro. Anyway, so I needed to sit back, stay tuned while we do this unboxing. But before we start, have you subscribed yet? If not, what are you waiting for? Let's be family. Go ahead and subscribe somewhere here and tap on the notification bell to get notified anytime that I upload any video. And also, if you are coming back, my returning subscriber, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, long talk. So I got my scissors, you see, microcomputer convection dish dryer. Woo, that sounds bougie. Anyway, let's go ahead and slit it open. Wow, and we go the other way. This is from QVC, guys, QVC.com. I think Amazon has it too.
Hold on.
So here I got the scissors. And this is it. It says microcomputer convection dish dryer. That sounds bougie. Alright. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, and the other way. I guess I'm not a good cutter. Took it so much. This is from QVC.com. I think Amazon has it too. But QVC had it cheap. Wow, guys. Let me drop this. That's cool. Look at that. Nice. It's a dish rack, guys, if you're hearing background noise, that's my baby having fun. Oh wow, how do I do this? Let's see. It is huge. Oh, let me put it sideways. I need help with this. It is really huge. They really packaged it properly. I'm gonna do this way. Aha! Here you go. Whew. Makes it easy. Makes it quite easy. It's light, guys. It's not really heavy. But when you look at it, it's scary. Boxes. This is what we call packaging. And we rip this off. I guess this is to protect it. Wow, it's actually huge. I never knew it was this big. Oh my word. It is so big. Wow. So when I wash my plate now, all I have to do is put, how do you open this? You don't have to learn all this. Does it have a manual though? What are these knobs for? Let's see. Oh, I see. You gotta plug this in also. My husband will be able to fix this in a second. For me, it's gonna take a while. Oh, I see. They have a tape right here. That's why I couldn't open it. Look at that. You see the rack? This is the rack where your plate goes. I really have to figure this out. I never seen this before until I saw it on their website. So anyway, it has buttons here the order. It has a timer. It has like how many degree you want the temperature. Actually, that's what it is. And I don't know what this is, but I guess the manual is gonna tell me what to do. We just unboxing, and basically that's it. When you gotta use it, I just plug in this and do what the manual says. So this is just a dish rag. It's gonna dry the dish, you know, make it ready for use. This is beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. Like I said, I also saw it on Amazon, but this was bought from QVC. HSN has it also. It's nice. It's a good investment. It's called Supentown or Supentown. I don't know. But anyway, so I'm gonna read this and figure out how to fix it. So that's it for the unboxing. Did you have fun? I had fun. I'm gonna have fun using it too. So thank you for joining me to unbox this. I appreciate you guys. Like the video, share the video, leave me a comment, leave me a question too. By then I would have read this and I would know what to answer to you. Alright? So see you some other time. Watch other videos. Thank you so much, and it's bye from Ogomadi. Bye.